Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a refund on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using the Walmart app to order groceries and something or some item is missing, or maybe it's spoiled. How do you actually go ahead about asking for a refund? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Walmart app. Again, Joe, just please make sure that you blur out the addresses on these Walmart videos. Thank you. Now, once you're on the home screen here, what you're going to do is click on account on the bottom right hand corner. Next, you want to click on next to purchase history, click on view all. Now, if you scroll down, let's go ahead and find your order in which it was delivered. So let's take, for example, this order that was delivered on June 18th. And so from this page here, underneath where it says, how can we help? There's a button that says start a return or refund or replacement. Click on that button and then follow the on-screen prompts and select the items in which you want to go ahead and start your request. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and start a return on Walmart. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.